Boost your metabolism naturally after 40. Did you know that your metabolism can start slowing down as early as your 30s? But don't worry, because today we're uncovering natural ways to boost it after 40 and reclaim your energy. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into simple, effective strategies to rev up your metabolism after hitting 40. Whether you're feeling sluggish or struggling with stubborn weight gain, these tips will help you reset and recharge. As we age, many of us notice that maintaining our weight and energy levels feels like an uphill battle. That's because our metabolism, the engine that burns calories and fuels our energy, slows down. Why does this happen? It's partly due to a natural decline in muscle mass and an increase in body fat. Add decreased physical activity and poor diet to the mix, and you've got a recipe for sluggishness. But here's the good news. You don't have to let this define you. There are proven ways to counteract these changes and feel your best again. Let's talk about how to flip the script on your metabolism. The first step, your diet. A balanced plate with lean proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains is your metabolism's best friend. And don't forget a rainbow of fruits and veggies. They're packed with nutrients and fiber to keep you full and energized. Next, hydration is key. Water not only keeps you energized, but also supports calorie-burning processes in the body. And a little spice, like cayenne or ginger, can give your metabolism an extra nudge. The game changer? Exercise. Specifically, strength training and high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. These exercises build muscle, which burns more calories than fat even when you're at rest. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups do the trick. And HIIT? Just 20 minutes of alternating intense bursts with rest can turbocharge your calorie burn for hours after your workout. To sum it up, fuel your body with a balanced diet, hydrate, prioritize strength training and HIIT, and make healthy habits like sleep and stress management a priority. These simple steps can help you reset your metabolism and feel unstoppable after 40. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Share your favorite metabolism-boosting tips, or let me know what you'd like to see next. And check out my other videos on healthy aging for more inspiration. See you next time!